Okay, so this is something I'm sure many of us are guilty of, but you might be in a pinch, transitioning between classes quickly, and you go ahead and save something directly to your desktop. So, like me right now, I'm not super proud of my desktop. I've got quite a few things that I just quickly saved there. I'm going to show you today how you can quickly go ahead and transfer those things to your Google Drive. And so if you have your Google Drive file stream set up, you can access it now from your folders. And so that should always be pinned to your taskbar down here so you can quickly access it. You are going to click on your desktop from your folders over here in this little organized area with your tabs, and you can just grab the document. So I have subplans here that I just quickly saved to my desktop while it's time for them to actually go in a folder. So then I can move them down to my Google Drive file stream, and as I hover over, I gotta get down a little bit farther, come on. As I hover over my drive, it starts to open more and more folders. So let's see, this one, I think I have a subplan folder. Go down a little bit lower for me. There we go. I can hover over my subplans and just let it drop. Oh, I already have a file here. I guess I'll just replace it. Cool. So now it's cleaned up. It's still on my desktop. I can go ahead and right-click it from this view. I know I'm on my desktop here, and I can just go ahead and delete that. So this is a great way to quickly drag them over into your Google Drive file stream. You can do the same thing if you're at school, going to your U Drive. I don't have it on here right now because I am not at school, but if I were, I could go into my U Drive. I could even highlight a whole entire folder, and I can move it directly from here in my U Drive. If this were my U Drive, I can drag it directly into my Google Drive. And so if you've been kind of dragging your feet about transferring things over from the U Drive, now that you have a Google Drive file stream, it should make it a lot easier. You could even highlight multiple items at once and drag those things into your drive. So it should be a lot easier for you to transfer your files over from your U Drive or from your desktop using the Google Drive file stream.